table is organized, how periodic table is categorized. In the periodic tables, there are vertical lines. These are called groups, and there are some horizontal lines. These are called period. Hey, suppose sodium, there are 118 atoms in the world. In front of you, with a bare eyes, you are watching crore materials, but the secret materials, secret atoms of the world are 100, approximately 118 types. As an example, suppose sodium has been taken in front of you. Hey, sodium, the numbers of atoms of sodium is 11. This is the reality, discovering reality. Scientists cannot change the numbers of atoms, numbers of electrons. Sorry, numbers of proton and numbers of electrons. Scientist has nothing. Scientists are just discoverer. Also, there are invention, but basically in the field of 118 atoms, these are the factual, natural factual. So, main talk, the groups depend on what is the external numbers of electron at the outer shell of an atoms. As you are watching, the outer shell of sodium is 1. Definitely, this sodium will be categorized in the group 1. In the group 1, there is a sodium, lithium, potassium, blah, blah, rubidium. There are several atoms exist in group 1. Obviously, these 7, 8 atoms, obviously their outer shell has only 1 electron. That's why they have been categorized in group 1. Okay? At the time of electronic configuration, there is a 2n square rules. If the numbers of shells is 1, that is 2 into 1 whole square, that is 2. If this is 2, that become 8. In this way, this is being the configuration completed. Whatever, I'm not going there. So after electronic configuration, whatever the outer shell, these determine where your atoms will exist. If the outer shell is 1, the atoms will exist at the 1. If the outer shell is 2, the atoms will exist in the group 2. If the outer shell is 3, the atoms exist at the group 3. And numbers of shells determine the period of the atoms. Suppose sodium, the numbers of shells 1, 2, 3. Please try to see in the periodic tables. The sodium exists at the 3 level. This is called period and this is called group. See, sodium exists at the 3 period. So sodium exists because of 1, that exists group 1, but period 3. Again, I'm telling, period is determined by the numbers of shells. Group is determined by the outer shell. In this way, in the periodic tables, there are 8 groups and there are 7 periods. Clear? So numbers of shells determine the period, I mean horizontal line, and outer shell. If the outer shell is 2, the atom would exist at 2. If the outer shell is 3, atom exists at 3. This is the way of determining or being categorized. The whole periodic table is categorized by the outer shell and numbers of shells. Thank you.